I don't think there is a technology like it, right? So I think first and foremost, I don't think you're going to find anything else like this on the market. Second, I think the talent that Chevin has and the continuing to build it out, to develop it, is critical because the industry is continuing to grow. There are constant changes. And the fact that you have a team whose sole focus is to build this product for fleet, it's invaluable.
And I've just found them totally responsive to everything that we've asked for. I mean, whether it's our consultant, our account exec, they're easy to work with. And now having met some of the people at the conference, I think it's not just one or two people. It seems to be the culture of the organization, and it just makes it easy as a client.
I would recommend Chevin because of the robustness of the software, the capabilities of the software, and the level of support that we've received after implementation. With any issues or questions or anything like that, just the level of support has been top-notch.
They are a fantastic group of people. Great to deal with, a lot of fun, and I know without a doubt I'll be looked after.
I think the customer support is the part that I like the most. Is, anytime anything goes wrong, I can reach directly the support team, and also, having the experts available. We can ask the questions, we can ask how we can improve the operational work. That's super important.
Chevin has the experience, Chevin has the know-how in order to succeed in this industry, which is fleet management, is certainly valuable asset that the company has and has invested a lot into the software.